Okay guys, so we've got some more tools here and a little bit of organization for the workbench here. Picked up these reversible ratcheting wrench set. This is the 14 piece. It's got 17 millimeter down to 8 millimeter, and then it's got 11/16 down to 5/16 on the inch side. We really didn't need the inch side. All we needed was the metric side, but this was on sale, and I also ordered 18 and 19 millimeter. And even with buying this and ordering those other wrenches, I'm still under the 8-piece set that they were selling, and you only got 18. We're gonna have 18 and 19. We've already got the jumbo gear wrenches, so we're just trying to fill out our set. This is the reversible, so you can reverse them while you're right on the nut. You ain't gotta switch the wrench around. Plus, it's got a little bit of an angle, I think 12 degrees or something. So your knuckles aren't like right on the surface you're working with. So that helps a little bit. Not sure what I'm going to do with the inch side. I'm sure we'll stick them somewhere, but we only really needed the metric side. These gear wrenches are awesome. I find myself grabbing them the most now because they're just, they're just quick and easy. Also on the gear wrench stuff, this is actually Craftsman's brand. We've got the Stubby gear wrenches. This is going to finish off our set. We have the standard. We never did get the metric. Dad got me the standard set for Christmas or my birthday or something, but these little stubbies can come in handy, especially when you're really limited on space. So we've got this is an 8-piece set, so it's all the way up to 18 millimeter again, down to 8 millimeter. Standard, I guess, is what they do. So we picked that up. Well, I picked these two up. Dad picked this up. I guess he always wanted these nicer wrenches, so he picked this 3-piece setup. And this is the 84 tooth. So they're little less movement in the wrench to actually move it. So it's less movement than our older wrenches and stuff. So I mean, I guess it's a good upgrade for the wrenches we got. The standard wrenches aren't all smooth and polished like that. They just kind of rough. But he wanted some of these nicer ones, so he picked up one of them. Also, while he was there, he picked up these organizers. These are the 1/4 inch. We don't have much for 1/4 inch on the impact side. I use these to organize our impacts and our deal here. I put them on the top shelf or top drawer, and this is our impact stuff. This is the standard. We need to get a bunch more of the 3/8. We got all kinds of 1/2 inch stuff, but we're kind of lacking in the 3/8, so we'll probably get some of those. I know the drawer ain't completely packed there, but we just want quick access to these because I use these all the time. So wanted them on the top drawer, didn't want them on the bench, and then he found these magnetic organizers, and I was able to make these work. This is our metric stuff. Again, we have very few of the 3/8. We need to get the deep and probably maybe a few more sizes. But we've gotten by with the big 1/2 inch. We got adapters here that pretty much can adapt anything to anything there. This one broke. We got to get a new one. It's just a cheap Job Smart from, I believe, Tractor Supply is where we got that. We use and abuse these. If they break, we replace them with another cheap one. But got some swivels here, and then some more adapters, and then we've got the adapters for the DeWalt impact wrench, 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4. I just stuck them in there. We got some extensions, impact extensions that I just stuck up there. I've got the 1/2 inch ones hung up with the tools, because most of the time when we're impacting we're using 1/2 inch, so that is why we have mostly 1/2 inch, but we'll probably have to get the 3/8 now, or some of them anyway. But that's what we got going on here, guys. Wanted to do a little bit of a tool time. Oh, these magnetic trays here, this is what they are. This is the 1/4 inch one, but you can probably, if you want to throw that on your search, I'm sure you can find the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch, but they're actually really nice for laying your sockets down. And like I said, they worked out really good. I didn't think they were going to work out very good for our deal, but Dad picked them up and I made them work, and it worked out real good. So I'm going to get these in the toolboxes situated. Stay tuned, guys. I'm probably going to be doing some toolbox tours once I get everything pretty much organized. A lot of our boxes were kind of stuffed, and then with the new toolboxes we've gotten, I've been able to organize better. So we'll do a couple toolbox tours. I got a toolbox. Actually, I got a couple toolbox. Dad's got a toolbox. We've got these. These are not very full yet, not even organized yet. So once I get this full, maybe I'll do a toolbox tour of these things. But stay tuned for that, guys. That's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.